So I see that everyone has been invited. Your friends, the kings and queens, and the fairies. But I, it seems, was left out.
Once upon a time, in a kingdom full of happiness, there lived a king and a queen who had only one wish: to have a child.
One day we will have a child of our own, my love.
I can feel it in my heart. I know one day it will come true.
And one day, their wish came true.
For your daughter, I grant the gift of beauty beyond compare. May her face light up the world with kindness.
But then, something unexpected happened.
No, you can't do this!
It's already done.
I cannot prevent the curse, but I can change its outcome. She will not die. She will fall into a deep sleep.
Sunshine, don't go in there! I have to see what's inside.
Come closer, child. Would you like to try?
You are real?
Yes, my dear. I have come to wake you.
Yes, I will marry you.
If you're new here, welcome. I'm Gary, and I've spent a lot of time working with AI creation tools. I was honestly blown away by how powerful these tools have become, and I want you to get the most out of my years of experience. My goal is to help you become a true AI content creator and make the process easier, faster, and more creative for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a beautiful 3D animation video of Sleeping Beauty. From scripting the story to animating characters and adding stunning effects, we'll go step by step to bring this classic fairy tale to life in a truly magical way. I was actually really excited for this project, because breathing life into fairy tales through 3D animation is such a rewarding and creative experience. And the best part, you can do it too, even if you're just getting started. If you want to watch the full animation video that I've already created, click the link in the description or tap the card in the top right corner to check it out. Now, without wasting any more of your time, I'll walk you through my process for writing the script, the most important element of any great animation video. To create the script for our Sleeping Beauty story, we'll be using ChatGPT. Start by entering this simple prompt. I want to write a script for the Sleeping Beauty story to create a video for kids. The script should closely follow the well-known fairy tale. As you can see, ChatGPT has created the story just as I wanted, with rich details and a well-structured narrative. With ChatGPT, creating a script for a video, whether it's for content, a movie, or a story, becomes very easy. Of course, you'll need to review the script carefully, as it will never be completely perfect. Once you have that, you can refine the prompt depending on how you want the story to feel. For example, you could say, I want the script to be 30% narration and 70% conversation between the characters. This will help you get a more dynamic script with a good balance between storytelling and character dialogue. Now, if you're only planning to use images in your video, you might want the script to be more focused on narration, so you can adjust the prompt to 100% narration, which would be purely storytelling. However, since I'm using a talking avatar to make the video more lively, I personally prefer 70% conversation in the script. This creates a fun and engaging experience, especially for kids who love to hear the characters talk. By tweaking the prompt this way, you'll end up with a script that fits perfectly for your video style, whether you're aiming for rich storytelling or interactive, engaging dialogue with the characters. Now, let's talk about how to create prompts for images and build the setting for our story. First, I want the scene to take place in a magical kingdom with a blue-toned color palette. To generate this, I use the following prompt. Create a scene of the kingdom with vibrant colors, where blue is the dominant tone. This prompt gives ChatGPT a clear idea of what I envision. However, to get the perfect image, I may need to refine my prompt a few times. If the result isn't exactly what I imagined, I can adjust details such as atmosphere and additional elements like castles, rivers, or fantasy creatures until I achieve the desired look. Now that we have our kingdom, it's time to create the characters. Let's start with the king. To generate his appearance, I use this command. Create the king character with detailed characteristics in 100 words. Limiting the prompt to 100 words ensures that the description is concise yet detailed enough to generate a consistent character. The description should include features like facial appearance, clothing style, and personality traits to make the character more defined. Then, we're going to move on generating different poses and backgrounds for him. For example, I might add, create some postures of him standing with different hand positions and background scenes. By combining prompts for appearance, pose, and setting, I can create multiple versions of the same character in different scenarios. This helps maintain visual consistency throughout the story. After collecting all the necessary details, I can now merge them into a single, well-structured prompt. The final prompt might look something like this, what you see right now. It includes his appearance, combined with his posture and background settings. By practicing and refining prompts, you can create stunning, high-quality illustrations for any story. The next step is to verify whether this prompt can generate the image I'm envisioning. To create these images, I use Leonardo AI with Phoenix 1.0 mode, which allows for precise and detailed renderings. You can follow the same process to generate characters such as the queen, fairies, witches, and princes, tailoring each prompt to create all the images needed for the movie. Now, let's move on to create an AI talking avatar to make your story feel more alive and dynamic. Adding a voice to your character will really bring them to life, making your audience feel even more engaged. I'm using DubDub to create the avatar. In fact, the avatar you're seeing right now is made with DubDub. Stay tuned, because I'll be doing a full review of all the top talking avatar tools soon, and you won't want to miss it. Once you open the app, you'll see the main screen. Look for the button that says AI Avatar. Click on it to start the process. Now it's time to upload your avatar's image. For the best results, make sure your image is full HD quality. This ensures your avatar will look crisp and sharp when it speaks. Next, you need to upload the audio file that will make your avatar talk. You can use any voiceover or script you want your avatar to say. After uploading the image and audio, simply hit Generate. The app will start processing everything and generate your avatar speaking in just a few moments. Once the avatar is generated, take a moment to review it. Play the animation to ensure the image and audio sync up just the way you want them to. When you're happy with the result, just click Download. Your talking avatar will be saved to your device, ready to be used in your projects. And finally, you might be wondering about voiceovers and editing tools. Okay, I used ElevenLabs for the voiceovers, but you can use any tool for voiceovers if you'd like. As for the editing tool, I use CapCut. CapCut helps me process everything quickly and conveniently, while still providing all the effects needed to make the video dynamic and magical, just right for kids. Unfortunately, in this video, I won't go into details about these two parts, but I know you can easily do it your own way. If you've never used them before, or need a more detailed video on voiceovers and how to use CapCut to finish your video, just leave a comment on the video for me, and I'll make another one for you soon. So, that's it for today's video. If you found the information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss any new content from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.